Welcome to the JPC screwed up wall layer video. First of all, I'll apologize right now if I'm way off target here, but JPC posted a plan, and I'm looking at this thing. I'm thinking, look at these walls. There's a line going through there. What's that line for? You think he has through wall lines on? Well, let's check it out. No. So what is that for? Oh, maybe these are attic walls, and some are attic walls, and some are different kind of walls. I don't know. Let's check it out. Nope. Wait. Nope. They're all the same. So why are you getting that stupid second wall in there? I think so. It's got to be another reason. And first of all, let me say I do these little exercises so I can identify issues. That's what this whole thing is about. So we all can identify this stuff. Not ragging on anybody, but just we're trying to learn. That's all we're trying to do. But bottom line is something's wrong. I mean, you guys ever seen a condition like this? I mean, I never see this. I have nice, clean connections. So what's the problem? Let's open up this wall and check it out. Wall type. Define it. Well, he's got the main layer at the drywall layer. Main layer at the drywall layer. So what do you think that means? What's this right here? That's first studs. You think it's going to frame studs? That's the question. You think it's going to frame studs? Well, let's do an Alt-J and just see if we have framing there. Oh, no framing. Why not? Oh, well, let's go ahead and see if he's got the framing turned on, huh? Oh, no, he doesn't. No wonder. So he doesn't have the framing turned on. So let's go ahead and turn the framing on so we can see what's going on, okay? Oh. Holy camole. Wow. Now, I will say this real quick. I didn't think the framing would frame because it's not a main layer. Am I right or wrong? I don't know. Well, actually, there's no framing here. Should there be framing there? Should there be framing there? What is this? What kind of wall is this? Should there be framing there? Let's check it out. Let's change. Look. Oh, that's the. That is the main layer. Oh, which one isn't the main layer then? Where the heck was it? Define. Oh, maybe I changed it already. Did I change it? Oh, I guess I did change it. Huh, no wonder it's getting framing. What is this right here? Oh, yeah, see, I guess I changed one of them, or I'm all confused now. He's got the main layer at the drywall layer. It doesn't frame the studs. Did you just see what happened? Yeah, in fact, it gives you an alarm. It's not framing that wall. Why is that? Because he does not have that as the main layer. Let's see if it gets framing now. Yep, there's the framing. There's the framing. And why is it going down to there? I don't know. I'm not going to even get into that. I mean, I don't even know what he's got going here, man. He's got so much stuff screwed up. I don't know how he does it. I don't even know how he builds this thing. And why is that dropped down? I mean, why is my sill plate dropped down? What is this? What is this, a slab? What is that? What is this? It's a freaking slab? 12-inch concrete slab? You think they're going to pour a 12-inch concrete slab in there? I don't think so. He doesn't know what he's doing. JPC, you don't know what you're doing, okay? Anyway, so what? I don't know. You want this on a slab, JPC? Do you have a foundation built yet? No, you don't. Well, build the foundation. So anyway, that's part of the that's part of his problem right there. Is he's got, I don't know what he's got. I mean, I don't know how the guy builds anything. I mean, why do I have two different kind of walls here? That's better, isn't it? Isn't that better? Now we're going to go back to get rid of this W. So I think he had a couple walls where he had the wall definition defined as the drywall. Silly. What about this wall here? Define. Where's that? Okay, studs. Now he's going to build studs there. I get it. Now here's the big thing. Now this gets back to the wall layer thing. H. Let's take a look at this. Let's see what it looks like in here. Look at that. Look at that, man. He's got all sorts of... Look at this. Look at this. And this is why I get back to having the same number of wall layers on each wall type. I don't care if you have to... I don't know. I mean, you get brick and... I don't know. I'm still learning this stuff, okay? But something's wrong here. Is that is that the look he really wants? You got to consider. In fact, I don't know what you got to consider. I guess you have to consider something. Let's see. What's happening is this wall here only has... Oh, in fact, I'm going to reverse the layers just so it makes more sense to my little head. But what's happening is this wall, that first layer right there, is melding with this first layer because that has... Look, you got to have your... X6 might change this, but you got to have your studs as the main layer. I'm just telling you, if you don't have studs as main layer, it's not going to frame the studs. So now let's look at this wall. And what I'm going to try to do is I'm going to try to get rid of this gap right there, right? I'm going to try to get rid of this gap. I'm going to take a look at this wall right here, and see how many layers I have. Oh, he's got plywood, and he's got, I don't know, get rid of that crap. What's this? Insulation air gap? Okay, I don't care. You want that? I'll give it to you. And you got brick. So here you go. 1, 2, 3 layers on the outside of this brick wall, okay? That's what I'm seeing. That is what I'm seeing. Now I want to get rid of... Okay, that's what I'm seeing. So what I'm thinking is this wall right here has to have... I mean, that's a mess right there, isn't it? Look at that. Look at that view. It's a mess, isn't it? I'm thinking this wall here has to have 3 layers to it, okay? Insert. Insert. And I'm going to do this nice and simple. What is this? Color. I don't even know what color white is. What the fuck is color? I think he wants a 1/2 inch total, okay? So let's go with 1/8, 1/8, 1/4. Make this color white, I guess that's what he wants. Color white. COLOR white. So now let's see if I got rid of that gap. I mean, you learn how to do it yourself. There it is. I just got rid of that gap right there. Very good lesson right here. Do you look? Look at this right here. This is just what happened, and this is what I'm getting at. This wall right here has to have 3 layers on the outside because this layer has 3 layers on the outside, I think. And so now this third layer on this wall melds with this third layer on this wall right there, right? Now you're going to say, well, I don't want the brick showing. I want that third layer of this interior wall to go past it. All right, I'll do that. Frame through. I think this will work. Oh. Frame through. Now I bet I don't see the brick, but I see there. Did you see just what I did? That's the layer. That's the wall layer thing, man. That's what I've been talking about. Now you got this third layer on this wall covering the end of this brick, if that's what you want. If you don't want that, come over to here and go and through. You think the brick's going to go through? Yeah, now the brick goes through. Jeez Louise. And I'm not ragging on anybody here. All I'm just saying, I'm just doing this to learn. Yeah, see this thing, I got the wrong layer on this here. I had the wrong layer going through, I think. Which way I'm looking at the left wall, so that's the left wall. So okay, through. I don't know why one goes through the other. Yep, now the brick shows. Now you see the end of the brick. You got that? That's what just happened right there. I think this is a very good bid. And I think what even started this was he was complaining about some kind of he had to put some kind of I don't know what he had to do. He had to do something. I don't know what he had to do. He was having problems with, I don't want to get into this. You just have to understand this crap. Obviously he doesn't yet. Because if I look at this thing, he's got a jog right there, doesn't he? Do I want to figure that out? Probably not. Timer up. I'm done. Anyway, anyway, the whole point of that was to identify that, first of all, with any wall, This is, I haven't seen X6 yet. This might change in X6. But to get the studs to frame, when you select this thing, you gotta make sure that the stud is the main layer. If it's not the main layer, you're not going to get the studs framed, okay? In fact, I'll prove it to you right now. I'll prove it to you right now. Watch this. Let's take this wall here, U. He's got the studs of the main layer, right? Well, this time I'm going to make this the main layer, okay? Okay, and then they're going to give me an alert. I get it, fine. And then I'm going to take this. I don't even know what happened. And I'm going to make this the main layer. Now the question is, do you think I'm going to get any framed walls? Another alert, okay? Okay, fine. I don't even know what happened. Alt J. Let's look at the framing. Yeah, see, I lost all the framing. You see what I just did? I changed the main layer from the framing layer to the drywall, and so now I don't get any studs. And he had a couple walls to find where the drywall was the main layer and not the stud layer, and so he was having all sorts of problems. Now, well, I saw problems, but now he's got there's a couple walls somewhere over here. I'm not sure which ones they are. Where are they? Come in. Yeah, hello. Louis come in to water my plants. Anyway, that's the end. I hope that helped.